Why does your scanner show the P2504 engine code? What does it mean? P2504 is a diagnostic trouble code for charging system voltage high. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM detected a voltage in the charging system that exceeds normal operating parameters. This is often caused by a failing alternator or faulty voltage regulator, but can also stem from issues with the battery, wiring, connections, or a starter. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: alternator failure, faulty battery or connections, wiring and connector issues, high resistance in circuits. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Jeep, Dodge, and other vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.